Again, orthodox versus southpaw opens up the open side.
You can see Jeko Laishram stalking, throwing out some feints.
His guard's a bit tighter.
Yep. That was
Also
a nice,
kick.
nice heavy leg kick by Nazareth Lalthazuala.
And they both looking.
Ooh! That was a nice head
Partially
kick.
blocked. I mean, it didn't really get through, but then that could have been bad.
Yeah, that could have been bad.
And both with that lead arm fight, it's almost an invisible fight to most of us. Yeah.
Beautiful knee.
Oh, that was a great knee.
Nice
but then got
takedown by
taken down.
Nazareth.
And
But
he gets
Jeko
right
Laishram
back up.
just pops right back up.
I think Jeko might have the grappling advantage. Oh,
Beautiful takedown by Jeko. And there he is.
Great trip.
Landing some real punishment.
Back.
Beautiful. Another takedown.
Amazing match return by Jeko.
He's got a nice body lock. Looking to take the back. But Nazareth, tough as nails, just looking for a way out. Beautiful takedown by Jeko.
Again.
But Nazareth scrambles to the front headlock position. Another knee up the midsection.
Again, this is going.
Both guys, beautiful. Oh, this kid is just on another level, man. Beautiful elbow again.
So Jeko clearly having a grappling advantage at this point.
Yep.
But he does. Oh, he's playing with Nazar just a bit. I don't.
A nice Superman punch from the top attempted, but blocked by Nazareth Lalthazuala on the bottom now.
Nazar's a vet too, so he knows. He knows how to hold his own.
Don't let that 2-0 record fool you. This guy's been fighting in the amateurs for years now.
If anything, by Andrew.
Yeah. Excellence. A beautiful right hand cracked him. But they go right up against the cage now.
If I was Nazar, I wouldn't be engaging with Jeko.
Yeah, I would not be trying to clinch with this kid, man. I'm trying to outstrike him from the distance, but even then, he's having a hard time.
Yeah, but Jeko is well-rounded.
Oh, this is
position.
excellent. Bad for Jeko now. Nazareth on top. Oh, nice elbow. Beautiful elbow by Nazareth Lalthazuala. Beautiful knee to the body as well. But Jeko Laishram right back up to his feet.
Oh, and I think that might have been.
Dude, this is not. These guys are going at it, man.
I felt that liver kick.
Oh, that gave me liver cirrhosis. Another nice kick by Jeko. Takedown attempt by Nazareth Lalthazuala here. He gets him down for just about a second, but Jeko pops right back up. But again, Nazareth Lalthazuala, relentless.
I mean, his hips are still out of it.
Yeah, relentless though. That knee to the body, man. I really like that knee to the body by Nazareth. Jeko Laishram stalking Nazareth Lalthazuala here at the Shllong Cage Fighting Championships.
And again, this is a really high-paced fight.
This is an incredibly high-paced fight.
I assume they will manage to keep this up.
Yeah.
For a while.
Nice jab, but a nice return by right hand.
Big right hand by Jeko. Landed fairly clean.
This kid is 18 years old, man, but he fights so mature for his age.
So Nazareth trying to keep some space, throwing up some teeps, trying to maintain some distance.
Yeah, that was a nice left hook by Nazareth Lalthazuala.
The exchange kicks. Again with the teeps.
Oh, another nice body kick by Jeko after he took a couple of shots from Nazareth Lalthazuala.
Just barely missed with that right hook.
This is a true prospect fight, but he telegraphed that takedown from really far away. Jeko's got to look for separation here. He's going to get kneed in the head, which is what he does.
I think he's looking to back up.
He's looking to back Nazareth up, which is really strange to see because Nazareth is usually the guy backing people up. Nice shot by Nazareth.
And completed.
Gets Jeko down. But this kid is not going to be denied, yeah? Nazareth Lalthazuala here in side control.
I wonder if he'll take some time off and breathe here and hold his position for a bit. Because the pace has been crazy.
Wild.
And the shots. And again, I'll tell you guys, if you could hear this live, those shots sound like gunshots.
10 seconds left. Jeko on the bottom.
Honestly, really hard round to score. I would give
round 2. Jeko Laishram taking on Nazareth Lalthazuala in a battle of the prospects.
So Nazareth kind of invested a bit on front kicks or teeps to the body and leg kicks. I wonder if that has dissuaded Jeko from entering.
That's a nice hook kick.
Look like.
Nice leg kick again.
Leg kick. Both so patient, both so measured. I mean,
I think they're just both reading each other, man, because they realize they're like, this is my toughest fight for both of them. I don't think they've ever faced opponents like each other here.
Yeah, man. And
nice work by Jeko.
Reversal by Jeko.
Incredible reversal by Jeko. Here he is on top. Nazareth Lalthazuala has got one butterfly hook and an overhook on his right hand. Right arm. Jeko should be looking to drop some elbows right now here. A short elbow with the left hand.
So if Jeko
serve him really well.
If Jeko can get Nazareth's left knee out of the way, get into maybe at least half guard.
There, that was the elbow I was looking for. He's got to look to create a bit of separation and land his shots here.
He did not get tightened.
Yeah. Beautiful work by Nazareth though. Small mistake by Jeko.
And
these guys are insane, man. Jesus. What scrambles.
And Jeko ultimately gets the better of the scramble.
He's got him in the front headlock. They're right in front of us.
I don't know if he's looking for sub here. He's taking a breather, it looks like.
Yeah, taking a bit of a breather.
Oof. Nice wheel kick.
Shoosh. I'm on the edge of my seat, David. Seriously, this fight is giving me major vibes, man.
If I'm being honest, I'm comforting myself, touching my knees, man. I am tense.
It's a real intense contest. Both guys are like trying to push the pace as well. Jeko's a little bit more technical, but Nazareth is a bruiser, yeah?
Nazareth has been throwing, Nazareth's been throwing a lot of teeps to the body and he's been throwing a lot of kicks to the inside leg. So I think he might be setting up
for a head kick?
Yeah, big head kick.
Yeah, a body kick or a head kick, right? Like.
Yeah. I mean, he already hit the liver kick earlier, but I mean, both buttons put you out, obviously.
Oh, nice kick by Nazareth Lalthazuala.
And he separates again with the teep. See, that's some crazy Muay Thai.
That's another beautiful body kick.
And Nazareth shoots.
I think Jeko's striking is getting a little bit stifled by Nazareth's takedown attempts, because he keeps trying to take him down. So like Jeko has to be really careful about striking. But again, his hips, man, this kid just pops up. Every time he gets taken down, he just pops straight back up.
He can't be put down. He can't be kept down.
Like you just look at him. He's not going to lose the exchanges.
Bit of a slip.
I'm telling you, Nazareth's pressure is crazy. Like he's just constantly throwing out strikes, putting out strikes.
So I might be speaking too soon, but I feel like it's catching up to Jeko. It just looks like. I mean, Jeko's still there, obviously, but
he's still there, of course.
Walk him down slowly.
Yeah. Like his striking is much cleaner than Nazareth's, of course. Like that is there, but it's like Nazareth is
just stifling everything.
Yeah, the takedown attempts are really stifling his striking. Both guys throwing. Oh, that was a nice head kick. Got him right in the temple, but this dude's chin is made out of granite, man. Both these guys, they're granite chins.
That left hook was pretty
I keep talking about the ability to absorb damage, and these guys can take the damage, yeah?
I would hate to be a judge.
Beautiful uppercut. I honestly think those spinning kicks are taking a little bit out of Jeko.
Yeah,
but he
takes
takes Nazareth.
Movement.
Yeah, but he takes Nazareth down easily. I honestly think he should start trying to take Nazareth down and like grind him out, you know?
Win the round.
Yeah, win the rounds.
Just win the
round.
round.
Be smart, win the rounds. Which is exactly what he's doing right now. He's in top control, landing in half guard. He's got a good underhook.
Should just advance.
Right side. Now he's just looking to break that grip. 10 seconds to go. He's looking to break that grip, land some elbows.
This is so close, guys. I would give first to Jeko and second to Nazareth.
I honestly speaking, I don't want to be in the judge's seat right now. These guys are having a real tough time judging this fight, because we sure are having a tough time judging this fight. For sure. Oh man.
I feel like Jeko had a bit of a grappling advantage, and he managed to keep up with Nazareth striking the first. In the second, Nazareth managed to get in a lot more shots.
Yeah, he managed to get in a lot of punches, a lot of kicks.
Yeah.
And as you said, David, I hope he doesn't try that spinning backing. There's a huge movement.
It's a huge movement.
Takes a lot out of his health bar, like, you know. Roshan Mainam giving Jeko the final instructions of what to do.
It looked like Roshan was telling Jeko to box more, which makes sense because Nazareth is managing to keep Jeko away with his teeth and with his leg kicks and inside leg kicks.
He's fighting at a kicking distance. You know?
Yeah, basically.
But this is an intense fight, man. Both these guys meeting each other this early in their careers. It doesn't get any better than this.
And like I said earlier, irrespective of the outcome, these guys are the future of MMA.
They're the future of Indian MMA, for sure. Here we go, round 3. Final round between Jeko Laishram and Nazareth Lalthazuala. Again, Nazareth back to those kicks, keeping Jeko at bay.
I think the number of shots that Jeko made earlier has taken it a bit out of him.
He's slowed down a little bit, no doubt about that. But he's also blocking a lot of the kicks, right?
He's keeping up.
Yeah, he's keeping up.
But winning is a different situation altogether. But let's see.
Let's see, we've just started the third round.
Jeko being a bit more defensive as of now. But let's see what offense he decides to put up.
See that pressure, man, that pressure of Nazareth. Like, he's always in your face, you know?
Yeah, and the fact that they both want to trade.
Yeah, they both want to just let go. Like
a lot of guys will back
That's
out.
a nice right hand, though, by Jeko. Another nice right hand by Jeko. But what?
The judges heard that, and that's going to be big on the scorecard.
A chin on Nazareth, man. This guy's got a chin on him. I wonder what they're putting in the water in Mizoram. Like, seriously.
Adamantium, bro.
Yeah, adamantium.
So, as of now...
Ooh. You know what's happening here with Nazareth? He's actually hitting Jeko on the offbeat.
Yeah.
Right, like every time Jeko moves in and out,
Yeah,
every
just
time
in between,
he
he
catches
breaks
him,
his rhythm. It's not big shots necessarily,
Yeah,
but
but it breaks the rhythm, right?
yeah. And so for you, if it breaks your rhythm, you're not going to put out any combos or anything. It just stops you.
By the time you throw your first shot, you've been popped.
Yeah, and you have to back up, reset.
Yep.
But what I see is Jeko is getting drawn into a kickboxing Muay Thai fight, which
He should be using all his skills, because I saw, it looked like he was having a big advantage in the ground. Like he
grappling.
took him down and basically got him in guard. Again, he's got a nice single leg takedown here.
I mean, he would be winning this round sort of, but then I think visually he needs to.
He's got him down
happen.
though. He's got him down though. He's looking to scoop up Nazareth's legs and put him on his butt.
But Nazareth
Nazareth's
again
got the
using
Kimura grip on him.
grip.
Yep, he's got a Kimura grip on him. But Jeko pops his head out.
He might get his back.
and
He
he's
has
taking
one
the back.
hook almost
I'm
in.
telling you one thing, man. This kid just finds a way to win. Yeah, he's tough as nails. He's got good fight IQ.
With the shots he's taken, but which have both taken, man, these guys are absolute studs, man. But
any fighter fighting at this pace by the third round would definitely slow down. These guys are still going at it.
yeah, Jeko needs to mount a proper offense at this point. I mean, he needs to get something on the scorecards if he wants to win. Definitively.
I mean, he's definitely winning this round, but he's got to do, you want to add that little extra.
Yeah, you don't really want to leave it to the judges to a certain extent.
You don't want to leave it to the judges.
No one wants close rounds. I mean, if you are a fighter and you want to win, you don't want close rounds.
Excellent work by Nazareth. Get to his feet.
Again with the teeps. Jeko landed a nice right in there. Catch his leg. Nice scramble, both sides.
Oh, beautiful scrambles by both guys. Nazareth ends up on top.
And again, Jeko will try to get his hips under him.
Yep.
And get out of this off-north side.
Time is of the essence here, David. Whatever they need to do it fast. There cannot be any more waiting around here. I think he's waiting for Nazareth to make a mistake and he'll explode. Exactly, right there. But Nazareth gets him back. He turns in.
Roll.
Back to half guard.
Still a bad position.
Still a bad position, yep. Nazareth is looking for an arm triangle choke here.
So Jeko should look to stand up. He's running out of time here.
Yeah, he's running out of time.
It could be a razor-thin decision.
What he needs to do right now is use that left hand to get an underhook on Nazareth's right side, and using that, maybe peel him off him and try to get off.
Or at least get into a dogfight position.
Exactly, or at least get into a dogfight position. Nazareth is smart. He's smothering Jeko right now. Oh, it's 10 seconds to go.
10 seconds. This is as close as
it gets, man. Seriously.
I don't know how to judge.